Remember the days of Windows 7? Life felt simpler back then, didn't it? But with simplicity came the risk of losing your data without proper backups. As we moved from Windows 7 to Windows 8, 10, and now 11, the importance of data backup has only increased. Let's dive into the basics. First off, always keep an external hard drive handy. It's a lifesaver when it comes to backing up your essential files. Cloud storage has also become a popular option. Services like OneDrive and Google Drive offer great flexibility and accessibility. Windows 10 introduced File History, a nifty feature that automatically backs up your files. It's easy to set up and incredibly useful. With Windows 11, Microsoft has made backing up even more seamless. The integration with OneDrive makes it easier to ensure your files are always safe. Don't forget System Image Backup. This feature creates an exact copy of your system, making it easy to restore everything if something goes wrong. Regularly updating your backup is crucial. Set a reminder to check and update your backups at least once a month. Encrypt your backups to keep them secure. Windows. BitLocker is an excellent tool for this purpose, providing an extra layer of protection. Test your backups periodically. The last thing you want is to find out your backup doesn't work when you need it most. For those who prefer software solutions, there are many third-party backup programs available, such as Acronis. They offer advanced features and more customization options. Backing up is not just a good habit, it's essential. Whether you're on Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11, make sure your data is always protected. If you enjoyed this instructional video, please like and subscribe.